anyways. Is it there? Okay. So I cut the butternut squash up and I folded it all in nicely, right? Okay. So you want to get all that stuff nicely in there, mixed up, so that everything is covered in that same, I guess you could call it a curry right now. Anyways, so now what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm gonna throw some water in it, right? So 1 second, okay? Just put this there, 1 second. Here, look. Okay, look. 1, 2. 2 big cups, okay? You could even maybe call that 3 if you really wanted to. But look, now what you do is you're mixing all this up, okay? So really that chicken is pretty close to being cooked, but it's not cooked up as much as I want it to be. All right, so watch this. I would say, yeah, maybe a little bit more water. 1 second. A little bit more. There. So you see how the water kind of covered everything up? Okay. Now, everything's all mixed up. Water's all mixed up. The water is actually flavored water, okay? So, now it's time. And like I said before, you could use, yeah.
It's all gonna boil down, guys. Don't worry. It's gonna be good.
They'll see after. It's not like it's gonna be like leaving it like this with them. So this chicken, okay, is gonna, when it's gonna be all boiling in here, that's when that super heat, you know, it's gonna get hot.
Some people serve food like this. You know,
okay, look, okay, so it's like a little bit above medium. It's between medium and high, okay? I'm gonna keep an eye on that, because when it starts to boil, I'm gonna turn it down and I'm gonna stir it probably about 3 more times. And the rice is on, and all that butternut squash is gonna turn nice and tender, and you're gonna have, like I said, if you guys want to use boneless chicken, or like most of the skin I took off, you guys seen that. But boneless chicken, you could use boneless chicken on this as well, okay? Or you could use thighs, drumsticks. You could even get a whole chicken and cut it up and put all that in there and do the same thing that we did, okay? So I will show you the finished product when it's done. So that's it.